Well, this is really quite annoying. I've just noticed when I was driving along that this little light here, the orange thing, it's like a little voltmeter. I don't really use it for, it's just on there, but I did notice it wasn't up in the green, which it normally is when I'm driving. And then I looked at here, I mean it is on charge. Ooh, what's making the camera go a bit weird? It is on charge, I mean it's reading at 12.5, 12.6. But it was down at like 12.2. Obviously that should be at 14 odd. So yeah, we're not charging. Obviously I'm on charge at the minute. But my concern was whether there was a fuse or something in line. So this is our positive terminal here on the alternator. My concern was whether there was a fuse or anything in line to the battery, because I'm getting the same low volts at the battery. But I've just had a quick check. I can't really do this two-handed, but pretend that's on a ground somewhere. I've gone onto there, and it's, let me just wedge this in, hang on. There you go, cheeky ground there. But if I go on here, I'm getting 12.59, so that's just battery voltage. But when I start the van, it's still, whoops, it's still the same. So this alternator is not charging, it's not putting any voltage out, which is annoying. So I'm gonna have to whip that off and change it. I have to get a new one ordered. Right, there's the old one. New one's turned up. So nice and shiny. So I'm gonna get it fitted. Oh, and Dennis has just turned up. Hello, mate. Right, so new one's in. I've just done basically the opposite of taking it out. Just put the alternator into that like position there for that lower bolt, slid that through, got the belts over so that it could move but hold the belts, put in the sorry, I'm making shadows there, put in the bolt thing, so that just screws into that. So you sort of put that in to mate up with that nut, and then screw that into that, and then just wind it in until it pulls back, and then these go sort of tight. Not tight, too tight, but you need a bit of movement on them. It's like a fine balance there. Yeah, so it's in, it plugs in, all the plugs match. This is a little bit stretched. I need to route that side so it comes down here. I'm going to do that in a sec. And then that one's alright, that just flops around. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to start her up. Let's hope for the best, fingers crossed. Okay, here we go. So, oh, we're on charge still. We're still on charge at a minute, 14 volts. Let me just take that off. I thought I'll charge the battery overnight just to top it back up so the alternator's not working too hard. If it is the alternator, it should be. So that's off. There's the lovely Bongo beep. Right, alternator's there. There you go, she's running. We'll be at 13.45. Just give her a little, there you go, 14. Oh, I'm happy with that. That obviously works. And that's the light that I was saying about, that you can normally see a bit of green. That's how I noticed it, because it wasn't green when I was driving. And then I checked these, and obviously it wasn't charging, it was just the battery voltage. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's working. Thank God for that. Wow. Oh, stop that beeping. It's one thing about a Bongo is the beeps, but yeah, it's working anyway. Chuffed. Thank God for that. You can just see it there in the background. So yeah, thanks for watching. 94 quid. So SCS down the road, they had one in stock, and it was I think it was £170 for the alternator plus the VAT. So what's that, another 35 quid, 30 odd quid. They did say if you bring the old one back you get 20 quid back. So, you know, you're looking at like 180 quid for that. But I went on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description for these guys. They were quite good, and they put jelly beans, packet jelly beans in the box, which is good. $94.99, and it works perfectly. So chuffed. Yeah, thanks for watching. I didn't really want to make this video, but needs must. It's another 100 quid down the Bongo chute. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you've had this issue. Subscribe, that little thing. Click that down below. Subscribe for more Bongo related videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.